Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see on the second position we've got the timer options. We've got 3 of them, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, and now we can tap on the shutter button. From now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.